Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams in 2025, whether you're presenting in a team meeting, a virtual classroom, or a client pitch. This guide will help you share your slides smoothly and professionally. No awkward pauses, no confusion. Stick with me until the end, and you'll be ready to deliver your next presentation with total confidence. Sign in to Microsoft Teams. First, open your web browser or the desktop app and log in to Microsoft Teams using your work or school account. Make sure you're using the latest version for the best experience. Start or join a meeting. Once inside Teams, look for the video camera icon in the upper right corner. Click it, then choose Start Meeting if you're hosting, or join a scheduled meeting if one is already set up. Give your meeting a name if prompted, and hit Join Now to enter. Locate the Share button. Now that you're in the meeting, hover your mouse near the bottom of the screen to reveal the meeting controls bar. Click the Share button. It looks like a rectangle with an upward arrow. This is the key to sharing any content, including your PowerPoint slides. Choose how you want to share. Here you'll see several options, but the main two for PowerPoint are Entire Screen. Choose this if you need to move between apps during your presentation. It shows everything on your monitor. Specific Window. Pick this if you want to share only your PowerPoint slides and keep everything else private. For most presentations, Specific Window is the cleaner choice because it avoids distractions. Select your PowerPoint. If you selected Entire Screen, click on the screen that's displaying your PowerPoint and then open your slides. If you selected Specific Window, you'll see a list of open programs. Just click the PowerPoint window and hit Share. Your audience will now see only your slides. Pro tips for a smooth presentation. Start your PowerPoint in slideshow mode before sharing for a polished look. Close any unnecessary tabs or apps to avoid notifications popping up. If you're using animations or videos in your slides, test them beforehand to make sure everything runs smoothly. And that's it. You've just learned how to share PowerPoint slides in Microsoft Teams like a pro. With these steps, you can confidently present in meetings, classes, or webinars without any hiccups. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next presentation.